Every project has its turning points. Building a greenfield plant from scratch means facing them head-on. From layout design to installation, from supplier coordination to on-site execution, nothing is standard. Everything is custom. Challenges arise, timelines shift. Systems need to adapt. Details evolve in real time. But this is where Polytec's strength comes alive. One of the most complex aspects of today's projects is undoubtedly the software. Our integrated solutions cover robotics, vision, material tracking, and IoT. With an in-house team of over 40 specialists, we can respond to every customer request, from process control to full traceability, with speed and confidence. Even when challenges arise from design changes to integration bottlenecks, the response is always the same: align, adapt, deliver. For Polytec, engineering is not just about technology, it's about resilience, precision, the ability to turn complexity into performance. That's how challenges become milestones and how innovation is built.